Get up, get up. Hey. Show that progress, let them see it working. Wrong or right, still learn from the play. Follow the rules, then we move our way. Put the work in. Late nights, early morning, still searching. Win or lose, don't throw it away. Study the move, then come back the next day. Alarm go off, gotta rise from the bed. Dreams don't move if they stay in your head. Feet hit the floor, mind on the mission. Small steps stack when you trust repetition. Some days green, some days red. Still gotta learn what the last move said. Can't skip rules just to chase that feeling. Strong foundation, put cracks in the ceiling. Show your work, let the progress talk. Step by step, let the whole thing walk. If you fall, get facts from the fall. Take that lesson and answer the call. No shame in being wrong. If you broke, no gain in moving fast with no control. Plan in your hand, eyes on the way. Patience gets paid when discipline stays. Put the work in. Show that progress, let them see it working. Wrong or right, still learn from the play. Follow the rules, then we move our way. Put the work in. Late nights, early morning, still searching. Win or lose, don't throw it away. Study the move, then come back the next day. Pressure get loud, but the plan stay quiet. Everybody talks, only few really try. You want results, gotta build that range. Can't feel lost if you came here to change. Write it down, mark the reason. Strike the work through every season. If it don't hit, then review that choice. Clean up the noise, then sharpen your voice. Stack good habits like blocks in a wall. 1 week rule can shake it all. So stay on script when emotions arise. Truth shows up when you analyze. No magic trick, no lucky lane. Just sweat, focus, lesson pain. Then one day they see what you made. Not from guessing, from the work you laid.
Lock in when it's boring. Lock in when it's slow.
Lock in.
Lock in when nobody sees.
That's how progress shows.
Learn from the mistakes.
Build from the sky. Follow the rules. Raise the bar. Put the work in. Show that progress, let them see you working. Wrong or right, still learn from the play. Follow the rules, then we move our way. Put the work in. Late nights, early morning, still searching. Win or lose, don't throw it away. Study the move, then come back the next day. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Lock in. Show work. Learn more. Follow rules. Stay ready. Put the work in.
Good morning, good morning. How are y'all doing out there today? Cheers to the coffee. Gotta get some go-go juice today for sure. Yesterday I didn't come on. Sorry guys if y'all were here looking for me and everything. I had to go work in dispatch for 12 hours and dispatch our ambulances out and everything. We had a call off and, you know, shit happens. So, sorry guys. I appreciate you being here today, though, that's for sure. I'm gonna get my coffee in here and see what we're gonna look at today. We do have the job loss data, jobless data, whatever the hell they want to call it, that will kind of give us the first inkling of what's going to go on today and tomorrow. So let's get that up for us. Let's see. So I can show you that. Let's jump over here. Boo. Oh wait, sorry. You know, it's bright. So we have weekly jobless claims this morning, 7:30 our time, 8:30 Eastern, and then tomorrow we have the unemployment rate. So these two combined, the jobless claims and the unemployment rate, will also accelerate and help the CPI from Wednesday next week. Wednesday next week is a big day. Sorry, obviously you don't need all of that highlighted with the CPI, core CPI, and all the rest of that. But at the same time, we have a new Fed chair that basically doesn't care about it. Does, but not as much. Is essentially what I was trying to get at there. He does care about it, but not nearly as much as Chair Powell. So, trying to see if we got anything else going on today. No, I don't think there's any real news or anything, or I'm not even quite sure what's going on in the Middle East or anything. I don't know if there's anything there. So the reason why we're looking at SpaceX is I really would like to short SpaceX. I would like to short SpaceX because so much of its stock is coming available for their people to be able to sell it today, I do believe. And I do believe that's the reason why there was such a run up from the 1618. It kind of went down through it a little bit. Yes, very mad. That did close this just a little bit. But if we somehow got the wickety wick, actually here, just go from here. So if we got from that, we got all the way to the top. It went up almost 25%. And now it is back down. This looks like that scam type of deal to push people into buying it right before more people can sell it. You know, there are a lot of people that say this is going to $50 before it goes up for any meaningful trip up, basically. So from the top to the bottom, $1618 is at 78. No, this is like saying the exact opposite. Like, hey, we're wanting to go up. All the rest of that, I don't see how that's possible. But also, I don't know when you jump into a long or a short on this deal either. Because even in the last like 15 minutes or so, we had good wicks here. That was a good sell here. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, if that wasn't an SFP, if I didn't know what an SFP was, good lord. You closed all the way down here. And it just kept going. This was an SFP here. Go. So I guess we could maybe get another push. Let's see, from here to here. You have this golden pocket. There. So we could come up to this. This would be a bearish golden pocket, so we want to make it red. All right, here's the 5-minute chart. Run, run, run. This is like a good little order block too right here. Good morning everybody out there. I'm glad y'all are here with me today. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, share it on your socials. Tell some people to come watch me. Tell people to subscribe too. Trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. For sure. Why did my music stop? It didn't stop. Okay. Headphones disconnected. Sorry. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Okay. Well, alright, so we're looking for this to come up into this golden pocket here. So, hold on, let me just turn them off and turn them back on. Maybe that'll work. First part of IT. Turn it off, turn it back on again. See if it works. Hey, look, that worked. Oh, good lord. All right, so we're looking for something like this. Probably should be more middle to be able. Oh my god, that's 3%. Yeah, you can't make a trade like that. Not like I trade. That's 2% there, like 0.3. Yeah, that's how I trade. Whew, buddy. I don't even know if we can even try to do that. Look at it running up here. Off the VWAP too. At the top, both of these are turning red. You got a down reversal. It's just waiting for it. We just need the entry go. Let's see, what is the VIX at? 16, so we most of the market probably won't be moving that fast. Good morning, y'all. Drink some more coffee. Waiting. So let's see if we can't look at, let's see, what's the ES doing? ES is dropping hard through the VWAP. Tesla's about break even. Netflix is up pre-market 0.5% or so. Apple's up 1%, but they got a hell of a freaking gap to cover. You know, guys, they had a bad trading day. Look at that gap they still have to cover to even get back to where they were at. We don't have a gap above it and a gap above it. We have this gap here. This is probably the closest gap for it to come back to. Sorry about that. Whew. All right, let's go back. SpaceX. Let's trying. All right, hype. When I was looking at it yesterday, or last night, this is a golden pocket of from here to here. This is a 618786 here. We are currently tapped the bottom, looking for a potential reversal on hype. Not really looking like it, honestly, here, guys. We got basically our downtrending support right here, and it is not breaking above it. It may sweep. If we get a sweep, that would be a good one too. So this was bearish right here. So you had You had this up, little bitty. Okay, we're doing a little bit. That was up, and this is down. That's bearish. But that doesn't mean I have to go very far. Zcash, look, Zcash just hit our first golden pocket right here that we were looking for. We have a few things on Zcash. First golden pocket that is there from 500 to 492. Then we have our order block. We have another golden pocket from a different pool area between 480 and 467, and then your macro golden pocket that is 445 to 407. I think this one is a good one. I think this was a good one. Let's go with Zcash. See what it looks like over here. I've been liking Zcash. Yeah. All right, we are in. All right, put our stop loss right below it. We'll see what happens there. Stop loss is set at 491.40. All right, so the reason why we are doing this is we are pulling a golden pocket from this first, it may have been from here. Let's see. Was it from this one? No, it was from this one. There we go. See there? It was from that one to the high. Golden pocket here. Came back, tapped the golden pocket, and had a tap, had a go. You also have your clipping and everything on your MVP. Alex O's indicator is money bag. You got your turn. You got your big rounded white bottoms that are doubled off in here. Your RSI is on the way up. This was a bullish divergence here. No, this was not bullish divergence. Well, it's just on its way up, basically. Money flow is curving. Very red, though, but curving. Not quite on the SpaceX. Didn't get quite up there. Hype looks to be breaking out of that downtrending support level. Might be just a breakout to come down, though. Not looking very... Oh, no, that looks kind of bullish. It looks like it can go. Maybe not, but, you know, maybe. Zcash. Well, so if we do go, where are we looking for? Where are we looking for? Let's see. Where are we going? Maybe here? So you have like this area. You have this area. And then you have this area. Those are definitely places that it could come back to. How's Ford doing this morning? Ford's up 0.5% pre-market. Tesla's flat. Netflix is still up 0.5%. They've come down a little bit. Let's see. Let's look at oil. Oil's at 75.89. Down here in our golden pocket that we had drawn. Was trying to see if it was going to come back up to here. It did not come back up here yet. We are in the golden pocket. I don't know. I was looking for this gap inside of the golden pocket down here between 72 and 71.82. That's my target for oil right now, honestly. Let's see. Hype does look like it could be breaking out. Come on, Zcash, let's go. Let's go. We're already down 3.5% today, so it would kind of make sense if we can have a response there. Let's go, let's go. All right, we're up 2%. Gold, I like gold. I actually really like silver better than gold, you know, personally on jewelry wise. Rejecting off of VWAP here on gold on the 3-minute chart, you know. Silver. Let's take a look at ADA. We came down into the golden pocket of this move from the low to the high. Came down into the golden pocket here and did you know, react from it. Then we came up on top of the VWAP, reacted, kind of went around, and now we're looking like we're trying to break out a little bit here. It'd be nice. When ADA runs, it definitely runs though. So it'd be nice to see if we can get a run out of ADA today. Let's see, how's Sol looking. Sol looking runnish too a little bit, at least the last couple of minutes. VWAP in front of us though. Good volume here. We're at the kind of the bottom of this range that we've kind of been in for a couple of days. Anything else y'all want me to look at here, guys? Good morning, good morning. Thank y'all for coming by. Got ES bouncing around. So we kind of topped here. Volume drop. Now we've been in no trade zone, basically, back and forth. What is Biddy looking like? What's Biddy looking like? Biddy is below VWAP. W drop. I thought it was going to hit this golden pocket here. It definitely came back before then. Be interesting to see if it rolls over into it, but then it really wouldn't be valid anymore because this is a new top. XRP $4. We were looking for it to come up. Never made that up move. This was a good trade though. Just didn't happen when I thought it was going to happen. But this would still be a good and valid trade to be in for sure, because we're still, you know, it's like 4.5% that we would have got out of it. Watch it. Watch it. What are we doing? What are we doing? Gonna come down and delete me again. It'd be nice if I could get a win, man, you know. I would love it. Oh, man. It has been a hell of a week. Beat me up, man. Beat me up for sure. Markets beat me up. Jobs beat me up. Oh, man. Oy vey. This is an order block right here, so it could come back. Jesus, excuse me, guys. Definitely says don't short. You're at the bottom. Could just be coming back for this. We'll see what happens. Let's see. What's Hype doing? Hype has kind of retested that order block. Let's see what it's going to do. You have a red blood diamond on here, though. Didn't do much here. This is Nvidia on Coinbase. I don't think it has very much like volume there. You know, it jumps all around the place on that. Oh man. ADA running a little bit off the golden pocket. Come on, break the 20 cents, man. Break the 20 cents. Let's go all the way up here. 21, 22 cents. We hit it once there. Got close. But I would have to say, we hit that, we hit that. We hit it the third time. We're going down. 1, 2, 3. We may hit this golden pocket here that I've been waiting on that still hasn't been hit. So it may SFP into it and then come down. Not really quite sure. We are on top of this volume profile that we've been running in for sometime since the beginning of June, essentially. So we kind of look like we could have came out, hit that, retested it as support, confirmed, and blasted off. Now we've come back to this golden pocket of that move. We've hit it, and we've come up. We're coming off of it. Looks like maybe we just wicked. Yeah, no, there's candle body. We do need to get above it though. So, you know, bullish looking at it. Soul did come down, hit its golden pocket, and come back off of it. Now it's in a golden pocket of sorts of whatever I drew before. I don't know what I was really drawing there, but it's there in the golden pocket of that. Yes, it's dropping. No. Yes, it's come back to the VWAP. Probably down from here. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on. There's more than that on here. Oh, damn it. Come on now. Let's go. Don't be a little dip. SpaceX still ain't got to it yet. I wonder if it will on open spike and grab people. Grab all of this liquidity here. If it spikes and then it runs. I wonder. Hype not breaking out. Kind of looks like it wants to roll over here now, potentially. If it rolls over, we have targets below us here. 54, 54.90, and oh shit, I moved it. 54.90 and 54.70. So if you were wondering what this Fibonacci is here, this Fibonacci is a trend-based Fibonacci from the breakout from the golden pocket to the first pivot down to its point, and you confirm it because the next point was the 786. Came down to 382 positive, off to the 1. Came back to the 786 positive, off above it. So now we're trying to figure out where we're going to confirm at next, which we've come back down to its golden pocket in this area between the 786 and the 618 of the trend-based fib. And then this is a golden pocket itself. So it's inside of its trend-based golden pocket and its local golden pocket. So that was a good reason to be looking for a potential trade in this area on hype. Nothing. Don't be mean to us. Let's go. You were nice right there. All it was a wickety wick. That doesn't look good either. Don't look good on the wickety wick, but maybe. I'm looking for somewhere up here. It just barely there. We got, you know, we're looking for 502 or 509 or 512. That's kind of where we're looking for to come back up here. Not even asking for it to just keep going or anything, just to come back up. Maybe even if nothing else, just to roll over again. You know, it's gone up. Let's see. See how we have just kind of ran, and now we've finally came back. This is the first golden pocket. That would be a good, you know, retracement for further movement. Although there are, you know, order blocks, golden pockets, and your macro golden pocket that's down here that never got hit. You know, that was from down here to here. And there's this awesome order block up here that never got tapped either. So you got a couple of things that's going on Zcash's chart, because there has been a lot of price action on this chart for lots of ups and downs, and everything's there for sure. Now, you know, we're down here on the microsecond, you know, type of deal, looking at it on the 3-minute chart. And this definitely looks like it wants to go, but it's indicating to me that it's gonna SFP before it goes, like before it really goes. Maybe that's just a gut feeling. Maybe it's just me not knowing, you know, not trusting my instincts anymore, because I've lost, you know, I don't know, a week and a half in a row. I would really like to win one, especially a good one, you know, that would be nice. What are y'all's tokens that y'all trade? People that are here live, what do y'all like to trade? Do y'all like to trade Bitcoin? Do y'all like to trade ADA? Do y'all like to trade Solana, Zcash, stocks? What do y'all trade on? Do y'all trade on like the 3-minute time frame, the daily? Do you just kind of throw some money out there and see what happens on the spot market? Just a DCA-er? What is y'all's theories in the way that y'all try to get the market to treat you? And see, you could look at this as like, we were coming down, we were stair step, and then it just kind of fell out, and it fell out to a certain spot, and then it stopped. And I always was one of those people, like, how in the hell did you know it was gonna stop right there? Well, when you do TA and you do charting and you know those types of things, and you draw awesome squares on the chart, and it kind of does that, and that's where it stops at, and then that's why people can know, hey, let's long it. But you have to know, are we longing this to the moon? Are we longing this for just a short little bit? What is our thesis of where we're going to get out and all the rest of that? So that's one of the things that always got me, is like, how the hell do these people know, hey, get in here, whatnot? You watch enough people for long enough and listen to what they talk about and chart what they talk about on your own chart, and then you start to be able to see what they've been talking about. You know, and then you can do this too, because that's all I did. I'm not that great at the execution of the trading, but I can TA and look at it and say, hey, we're probably going to turn around in this area. Hey, we're going to do this. Now, when you come down to these little small areas and time frames, and hey, are we going to wick past where I put my stop loss when we're trying to 40x leverage shit? That's what I haven't quite figured out yet. I've got the general thesis TA, I think. Most of my thought processes that I've portrayed through my TA have been correct, but maybe not the right timing, or the right entry, or, you know, the right exit points or stop losses that you set, which that's the hard part, because if it was easy, then everybody would do this and nobody would do anything else. This is not easy, and they have definitely fun times playing with the market. even if it's not the market maker, even if it's just people that have a lot of money, because when you have markets that aren't as liquid as most people would think, you know, it's not the same thing as a dollar, bank in, bank out. There is, you know, your slippage and other things that occur based upon how much, you know, liquidity is in the order book and all the rest of that. So you could put an order in and it not fill for, you know, whatever you're dealing with. It's not going to be like it could be percentages, but you know, there is that deal where you can ask to pay for something at a certain price, and it actually pay for it at a different price. That's what happens in leverage trading. If you're trading on like decentralized exchanges on an AAM, no, not AAM, AMM, automated market maker, on the bot side there. So, you know, those are some things to understand. I'm not liking that candle. But look, we got an otter. We got an otter. We got money bag. We got pink line don't short. We got turnaround. We got money flow coming up. Like we're double bottom here. This is bullish as hell on his deal. This is very bullish. You got the money bag, you got this. It's not all together. It would be nicer if there was a spoon, but no spoon. Maybe there's going to be a spoon up here now, because there's a divergence there. SpaceX is almost there. You're looking for a short somewhere in this golden pocket here, potentially. If you're one of those people that think that SpaceX is going to go down today, you got a short opportunity here. This is where you were looking for it to come back to, from this local top to the local bottom. This is 618 to 786. Look for it to come back somewhere in this zone to be able to short down. Shares, bunch of shares are opening today. Let's see, SPCX shares to, yeah, unlock. Forbes, can I check? Can I click on this? Is there not a dark mode? Boo. Here, I'll show you this real quick. So, nearly 1 billion SpaceX shares unlock on Thursday. Hey, that's today, guys. So, that's about all you need to know. Yeah, the valuation was made with less than 5% of the available public trading, and I think this brings it to 11%, so we're doubling the supply, I do believe. Maybe. Alright. I didn't have that pre-planned, so I don't exactly know what we were looking for there, but I do know that we're looking for a price target in this range there. And I think that's why this ran up the way that it did. You know, this was people buy, go up, spike, dump it on your head. Anything? Let's see. What did our Chart Prime Oracle Pro tell us? It's thinking. It's thinking, and it's showing that we are underneath the green cloud. Wow. Okay. Market pump consolidation 1, prime score of 1. I don't like the prime score of 1. Okay. So that's that one. Let's look at Pro Plus. What's Pro Plus give us? Still under a sell plus signal from up there. Did just hit TP3, TP1, TP2, TP3. Underneath its dynamic and quantum reactor for sure there. Order blocks. This one will show us some order blocks, some other things. It's a Market Dynamics Pro. Money flow POC is up here. We have a bunch of order blocks that are up here. We have this one loud one that's here. One right here with our order block that we had there. And this one here with a value gap as well. So that's an interesting zone here. That makes this a good zone and this a good zone. So my drawings were correct. So you can use that if you don't know how to see that. Or if you want the data that goes along with it. If you want chart prime indicators, we have the chart prime indicator link down in the description. So if you would go and sign up for those, that is this indicator, this indicator. It gives you the Market Dynamics Pro, the Oracle Pro, or a Pro Plus, the Market Oracle Pro, and a couple of other indicators. If you get the highest package, you get the indicators from the influencers that are out there as well that have their own different things. You get like the sniper, the Piper sniper kit, and some other things there. Let's go. Go, 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 Zcash. Up, up. So, interesting to know that we're underneath the cloud and all the rest of that, but also that we're still underneath a sell signal from it. Alex O's indicator down here is giving us a lot there. To get Alex O's indicator, you have to go and get into Alex O's community in his Discord. It is a paid Discord, but it is very worth it. There are 8 or 9 traders now with different channels in there and everything that gives signals, depending on, they could be here, they could be long-term signals, they could be spot buy signals, they could be stuff on stocks, all kinds of stuff. It's a great Discord, great thing to get into, especially if you don't want to learn, because he's got like 250 videos of teaching TA. I still watch those videos myself to learn even further. I am definitely not a master. I am doing this show like this so I can come back and watch what the hell I did. So I can use it as a teach myself. And if I can teach myself, then why can't I teach y'all as well? Or you can learn from my mistakes. How about that? And I get to talk to you about the awesome things that I do and everything as well. So let's see. Not. Oh, well, I was trying to find something here. I guess let's go here. Let's go. Gonna check my air nodes and show y'all my air nodes rewards so that y'all can see it. One, I want to look at it, and then y'all can see it too. So it's kind of a marketing deal, but also really and truly, guys, I just want to look at it. All right, so let's see here. So this month, one Ember nodes earned 56 cents, 57. My Frontier Core node in the Philippines has earned me $3.40. And this one is at 50 cents, 56 cents. with my total rewards at $7.39. Just keep on earning. Keep on earning. The last month was, I started like 2 days into the month, so now we're starting the first full month of earnings. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. The idea is to, DCA into these through taking your rewards from other places to reinvest into something that is going to pay you back even more. That's the total idea here, isn't it? So trade in, we are still up. We're up 5%. I kind of feel like, no, because that's a good order block here for sure that it could come back to. I was gonna say I feel like we should pull it up, but that's also me being a namby-pamby again, like this price is being. That's an Alex O saying, for sure. So we got our stop loss set that's there. Okay. Well, all right, let's get over here into this. We'll turn you off today with some Acellular. As you know, I am the owner of Acellular. We are one of the people that can sell world mobile service to anybody in the world. So if you have a phone that has a eSIM in it, if you live in America, we have the unlimited talk, text, and data plans that we have between $15 and $55. We have additional add-ons to the top 2 plans where you have identity protection and you can call internationally to like 60 different countries. If you have a couple of different people that are with you, you can get a discount between 10, 20, and up to 30% each line when you group them together. There is no shared data between the different plans. It is a fully secure private network. They don't ever ask your name, your social security number, your address. There's no KYC. There's no tell me anything about you, who you are, anything else at all. Just give me an email address that I can send you the code that you can get your eSIM connected in your phone. If you have a phone that you are not paying for to your carrier, you have an unlocked phone that can trade and send to any other network, or if you want to, you can add on one $15 a month deal just to see the service, how it works in your area. And you don't have to port your number over. You don't have to do any of that. You just basically run 2 different phone numbers on your phone at one time between 2 different services. You can switch between them. And you can test it out yourself. If you don't like it, you don't continue the service, and you wasted $15. Not really wasted because you gave me some, you gave the token holder some, all the rest of that kind of deal. But it's only $15 to try out to see if this service will work better in your area than your service that you're currently using does. It does for me. I live in Houston. I have a Verizon plan through work, and I have my World Mobile service, and my World Mobile service works better in more places than Verizon does in Houston. And what I mean works better is that it actually works when you want it to. It says it has 5G, it says it has 4 bars, but then does nothing. There are plenty of places that it does that, and that's because the network is congested. It's overloaded. It's not the antennas. It's the actual network stack behind it. World Mobile has 3-point-something million, maybe 4 million users on their telco stack, and not millions, or not probably hundreds of millions on Verizon or whatever. So you have to think about like where that goes, where the data goes, where all of that's being ran at. And World Mobile has the ability right now to take on more volume than the other ones that are out there. So that's one of the reasons why it works better. Also, it's just built better because it's built by us, people like me. So if you would, go over to acellular.io and sign up, get just one $15 a month plan and test it out. Come back, tell me what you think. Give me your honest opinion, and everything. I'm working towards me telling people if they sign up for it and they don't like it, I might even give them the damn $15 back. I think if you use my link, it's even 50% off the first month. So it could be even less than that. So, you know, go check that out. See if that deal is still going on. That would be really cool because you could try it for $7. There's no reason not to try something for $7 if that's the case. So go down to my website, check it out, come over here. You're going to scroll down, you're going to see my face and everything. Here's the map, the coverage map for the United States. You come down here, you'll see these different plans here, 15, 25, 40, 55. And if you click one of the select buttons, it will take you through my affiliate link to World Mobile Service. This is how they know to give it to me, the rewards and everything for bringing you in. And you pick one of these and you do the thing and sign it up. And they even have travel sims. So you can go to different countries, regions, and buy just small amounts of data in all of these different countries if you're somebody that travels around. You don't have to switch out SIM cards and do a bunch of things. You just do it all through one service. So I will get out of here today, guys. It's almost time. Alex O should be, I think he's coming on. I haven't watched him yesterday to know if he's there. I haven't been in Discord today yet. He should be coming on in a few minutes and everything. But I will get out of here today. I do appreciate y'all coming by. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. Make sure y'all come back tomorrow and everything there. Use my links in the description. Go play Affinity Rising. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my link down there. Let's go. Infinity Rising is going to be great. World Mobile is going to be great. Use Strike Finance and use a stop loss when you do. Peace, guys.
Are you still stuck with your big wireless? Overpaying? Are you locked in a contract? Were you buried in that fine print? Yeah, I thought so. Ditch your carrier. Switch to World Mobile today. We have no contracts, no early termination fees. We play no games. We have plans that start at just $15 a month. Bring your crew and you get a discount on top of that. Up to 4 lines or more and you're saving 30% each line. Are you paying full price? I sure am not. I got my built-in VPN, my encrypted connectivity, my identity protection. Your old carrier, they give you excuses. We give you control. Stop funding the outdated networks. Own your own connection. World Mobile. Switch to the smarter network.